are going to continue our lesson in meter. I have cards for everybody. I have cards, but we need to remember, what meter do we have? What's our first meter? What are the numbers on their meter?
2.
2 over what?
4.
And what's our second meter?
3 over 4.
3 over 4. What's our third meter?
4 over 4.
Okay, so if you look at the cards underneath the cards or the cards, for 2, 4, you can see that we can stay in that musical parking lot for 2 steady beats because you have 2 quarter notes. If you look at the car underneath 3, 4, you can stay in a musical parking lot for 3 steady beats because you have 3 quarter notes. In 4, 4, if you look at the car, you can stay in a musical parking lot for 4 steady beats because you have 4 quarter notes. Now, a musical parking lot is a measure. Now, I'm giving everybody a musical parking lot or a measure. And on these cards, we have to figure out if the parking space or if the measure is in 2 4 meter, 3 4 meter, and 4 4 meter. All right, so I'm just going to give cards to everybody. You know what? I can have friends help pass them out. Just go ahead and pass them out. Pass them out. And pass them out. Okay, so you don't know what you're getting. It's a mix-up of things. It's a mix-up of things. It's a mix-up. I might have, oh, I love those manners. Somebody said, thank you. Okay. All right, so look at your card. Do I have any extra cards?
Nope.
Oh, okay, then that was perfect. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take this 2 4 meter and I'm going to pull it down. And I'm going to take this card. All right, look and find out if you have a card that shows 2 4 meter, 2 steady beats, bring it up. But remember, a quarter note has 1 sound for a steady beat. Our 2/8 notes is a steady beat, but you have to play 2 sounds in that steady beat. And remember, for the quarter rest, what's happening in that steady beat when you see that quarter rest? You stop. Okay, so we're looking for musical parking lots. We're looking for measures in 2 4 time. If you think your card has 2 steady beats in that musical parking lot or the measure, bring it up and we'll find out. Okay, let's see. All right, we have a card here. We have a card here. Let's see. Any more? I know we have more cards. We have more cards in 2 4 meter and 2 4 time. All right, I'm missing one more card. If you think you have a card in 2 4 meter, you can hand it to me. Thank you. I'll do this. Wow, I'm impressed. You all handed me the cards in 2 4 meter. We have 4 musical parking lots. We have 4 measures. Now, what we're going to do, when you see the 2/8 notes, since this is steady beat 1, you're going to say 1 and the quarter note is 2. This musical parking lot is 1, 2. How would you count this musical parking lot? Just somebody count it out loud for me.
1 and 2 and
1 and 2 and. That's exactly right. I need you to count out this musical parking lot. Who wants to try it? Just go ahead and try it. Just do it.
1, 2 and
1, 2 and. All right, now watch what's going to happen. My car is going to park here. Because we have 2 beats in this parking lot, in this measure, we're going to count 1 and 2. Can you clap it? 1 and 2. Then we have to move to this parking lot. Let's clap it. 1, 2. Then we have to move this. We have to move to this parking lot. Let's clap it. 1 and 2 and. Then we have to move to this parking lot. Let's clap it. 1, 2 and. All right, so every time, so really you're counting 1, 2, and move, 1, 2, and move, 1, 2, and move, 1, 2. After we get to 2, we have to move to the next musical parking lot or next measure. But we only have 4 measures. All right, that was excellent. I've never had 2nd grade do this before. So we're putting our 2, 4 back in the garage. All right. Now we're going to look for 3 4-meter. Remember, the top number tells you how many steady beats you have in a musical parking lot, or how many steady beats you have in a measure. All right, I need parking lots in 3 4 time, or 3 4-meter. Let's see. For those of you who are taking piano lessons, this will help you in your piano lessons. Oh, wow. I have more. How many musical parking lots do I have in 3 4 time? How many? 5. How many did I have in 2 4 time? 4. All right, now here's an icky, sticky, tricky question. If you know this, go ahead and count it out loud. How would you count this first measure?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Hold it. 1, 2, 3, and we can't count to 4. You know why? What's our top number say?
3.
That's right. We cannot count to 4 because our top number says 3. We can only stay in that musical parking lot for 3 spaces. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, and we move. All right. Who wants? Go ahead and just count this one. Everybody.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, and we have to move to our next musical parking lot. This one's icky, sticky, tricky. Who wants to count that? Or just go ahead and count it. If you know, go ahead and count it.
1 and 2 and 3 and.
All right, now clap it. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Uh-oh, I heard 4. What's our top number?
3.
You can't say 4 or you'll get a ticket. Because if you count more than that top number, you're staying in that musical parking lot longer. And when you stay in a parking lot longer than your time, you'll get a ticket. So you don't want to get a ticket. All right, so now we're going to go to this measure, or this musical parking lot. How would you count that one? Just count it, everybody.
1, 2.
Kind of. What's happening to steady beat 2? It's quiet. You're still going to stay number 2, but you're not going to play number 2. You'll do 1, 2, 3. All right? Let's try that. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, 3. Good, good. All right. How would you clap, or how would you count this musical parking lot?
1, 2, and 3.
I heard a 4. Don't say 4. Our top number is 3. All right, let's count it again. 1, 2, and 3. Let's clap it. 1, 2, and 3. There's our car. Okay, so our car went through 5 musical parking lots. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So each time you finish a musical parking lot, you have to go to the next one. All right, so we're going to put our parking meter in our car back in the garage. Well, this last one is easy, because what we have left over is 4. So we're in 4 4 time now. Thank you. I have a great helper. Okay, we're in 4 4 time now. Our top number is 4. Now remember, when you have the bottom number 4, it means that the quarter note is keeping a steady beat. Oh my goodness, we have lots of cards. Lots of cards. I hope we have enough room. I hope we have enough room. Oh my goodness, lots of cards. You're doing great with this. This is wonderful. Okay, and we're doing this. Oh my. Oh, we still have more. We still have more.
We still have more. We have boatloads of them.
Boatloads, that's right. How many measures or how many musical parking lots do we have now?
9.
We have 9. What's our top number?
4.
And we can only stay in each musical parking lot for 4 steady beats. We would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. All right, now here's the icky, sticky, tricky part. How would you count this measure? Everybody count it.
1, 2, and 3, 4.
Can you clap it?
1, 2,
and
3,
4. We have to move to the next musical parking lot. Next measure. How would you count that?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. What was icky, sticky, tricky about this musical parking lot?
The quiet.
Those quarter rests. That's right. What beat is resting? Number 2. All right. This one's even harder. We're parking on a hill. Okay. How would you count that one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. So which steady beats are quiet?
2 and
2
4.
and 4. All right. So we got off the hill. Now we're going to the next musical parking lot. How would you count that one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Almost. I heard one little clap on 3. Okay. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, clap.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That was perfect. Uh-oh. Now we have to move to this one. Uh-oh. Who's brave? Or can you want to go ahead and try it?
1, 2, and 3, and 4.
All right. Now when you're doing that, make sure everybody claps at the same time. I'll start you. 1, 2, ready, clap.
1, 2,
And 3 and 4. All right. How would you count this one?
1, and 2, and 3, 4.
Hold it. We sounded like a bunch of scrambled eggs here. We're kind of mixed up a little bit. So we have 1 and 2. But there's no and. It's a quarter note, right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, let's clap it. 1, 2, ready, clap.
1 and 2,
3 and 4. One more time because somebody still wants to say 2 and. We can't because there's a quarter note. 1, 2, ready, clap.
1 and 2,
3 and 4. All right, so I have to move. We're going to go to this parking lot. Uh-oh. Guess what? It's a flip-flop of this one. You want to? Okay, you all try to count it.
1, 2, and 3, 4, and.
Perfect, perfect. All right, let's try that one. 1,
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Perfect. This one's the hardest.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now we're going to say top, middle, bottom. For the top row, the middle row, the bottom row. So this is the first card in the top, second card in the top, third card in the top. First card in the middle, second card in the middle, third card in the middle. First card in the bottom, second card in the bottom, and third card in the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to pick one of those 9 measures or one of those musical parking lots. I'm going to remember what's up there. All right, you have to figure out what I'm clapping. Listen. I'll clap it again. All right, just tell me out loud if you know it. The second. It is. It was the second card on the top row. That's right. All right, I'm going to do another one. Let's see if I remember where these cards are. All right.
The bottom.
The bottom third. You are right. All right, let me see. I want to really make this hard. Icky, sticky, tricky. Icky, sticky, tricky. That's the game. I want to try to stump you. All right, listen. Bottom first. You are right. All right, I'm going to do another one. Well, I'll see if I remember where this card is. All right. Third on the top. You are right. Let me see. I cannot stump you. I'm trying to make it hard, but I can't make it hard. All right. Here goes. I stumped you. I stumped you. Okay, here it is. Listen.
The bottom middle.
Okay, listen. Are you ready?
First.
First. Okay, listen. First on the top. You are right. You all did a great job. I've never had second grade do this before. It's wonderful. So everybody give yourself a round of applause.